Hey all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandon, and around here you can expect videos on a variety of fabulous topics, including fashion and lifestyle, vlogs, and unboxings. So if that sounds interesting to you, please click subscribe and we'll get into it. Alright guys, so over the last few weeks I have been inundating you with content related to the handbags that I carry on a day-to-day basis. So this week I thought it would be interesting to shake it up a bit and show you guys what I carry in my work bag. So yes, I am one of these people that carries a handbag Monday through Sunday. Every day of the week it stays with me and has all the things that I would typically carry, but then the days that I head into the office I also carry a work bag. This week my work bag is my Coach Brooke Carryall. This is the larger of the two Brooke bags. This is from the Coach retail location. This is a fabulous bag and I absolutely love using it, and so I decided that this is going to be the one I'm carrying this week. Before we get into the what's in my work bag, I did want to provide a brief update for those of you who've been following my channel on my little box crossbody that I purchased from the Coach outlet this year. I have been carrying this for about a week now and just wanted to say that I'm still loving it. I think it's a great design. I haven't had any issues with the cross-grain leather or any of the hardware on this bag. I've gotten a few compliments and I think that it is a really cute seasonal bag to have in my collection, and I'm really glad that I picked it up. But let's just dive in. Right now this bag full is really hefty. It's got a lot in it. Surprisingly, well, maybe not surprisingly, this bag can actually fit a ton of stuff, and I absolutely have it stuffed. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I carry on a regular basis back and forth to the office, and give you guys a little bit of details about each item. First item out of my bag is my Malden Filofax. This is in the personal size. This is my ride or die. It keeps me organized at work. I constantly need to write little notes to myself, and this is honestly the perfect thing to have in your work bag. I've been a Filofax diehard for the past 10 years, and I have used it in my professional career pretty much since day one. It's a constantly evolving ecosystem in here, and how I keep it organized and how I keep myself organized changes kind of on a yearly basis. I have a number of Filofaxes and I could absolutely talk your ear off, but I won't. I'll do you the favor and not talk your ear off. But this is an absolute beautiful leather organizer. Next up is my Kindle. This is one of the newer Kindle Paperwhites with the backlit screen. I am an avid reader, though I haven't been very good lately because I've been really busy, but I do carry this with me to work so I can read on my lunch. I really love the Kindle for the portability of it. I do still buy physical books after I've finished reading them on my Kindle. I know that sounds insane, but I have a large home library that I love to keep filled, so I am guilty of reading on my Kindle, buying the physical version to display. I know there are a few of you out there, sound off in the comments, I'm not the only crazy person. But anyway, love the Kindle. I love carrying this to work. Right now I'm reading The Priory of the Orange Tree by Samantha Shannon. I'm way behind the ball on this series, but I'm really enjoying it so far. Next up is another paper item because I'm old school. This is just a simple journal. It's where I do my daily journaling. Also, I keep notes to myself in this little journal. I'm not a fan of the trackpad on laptops, so I do keep a little mouse with me, a USB mouse. So when I'm not connected to the monitors at my desk, if I'm in a meeting or something in a conference room, I will carry this little guy with me. Next up are my AirPods. I do typically keep these in my handbag for like the rest of the week, but when I'm going back and forth at work, I do have a tendency to end up throwing them like on my way out in my work bag. So that's where these are currently. Next up is a must-have organizer for me. This is a Tote luggage organizer. It's in a blue camo. I'm going to show the other camera here. It might be a little bit easier. I love blue camo. It is like one of my favorite prints. And so when I saw this at the Toomey outlet, I knew I had to have it. It wasn't very expensive. It was only like $18. So I'll show you now what I keep in this little organizer. First things first is a little Vaseline balm. It's called the All Over Body Balm. This is really good because the backs of my hands get really dry, especially with winter right around the corner. It's good to, you know, start the practice of having a little moisturizer with you that you can use on like your arms, your elbows, anywhere that gets like really dry, maybe not necessarily your face. But this is, it's an okay all over body balm. I've tried a few of them now. I really like the size of this one over anything else I've tried. Like it's very good travel size. But there is one from Target that I like a lot better. But the circumference of the tube is huge, so I don't carry that one with me. Next up is a little travel thing of Advil. Gotta have it. I also keep a little Coleman all-purpose first aid kit. I am very clumsy. Paper cuts all the time. So this has Band-Aids, little antiseptic wipes and stuff in it. It's really good to have when you're just a mess like I am. Next up is a pen. I like to keep a blue fountain pen with me if I ever need to sign any documents. I like to be extra and have it in blue ink and fountain. A little battery bank. I keep forgetting to show the top-down camera that I spent so much time setting up, so sorry editing me. But here's a little Morphe battery bank, which goes with this second item, which I've shown you guys in the past. It's a little cord dongle. It holds like the little leads for different devices, so USB-C, Lightning, micro USB, USB-A. It's got all of those in there, and it comes with the cord, so I can use my little battery bank and charge like anything on the go. It's really helpful to have because I'm constantly forgetting to charge things at home like I should, and then have to charge them while I'm out and about. Last three items are like fairly, you know, just regular wet ones. Lens wipes and some gum. I like to carry these little wipes like to clean my glasses, or the wet ones are really good. Like if you've just eaten lunch and you want to like wipe your hands, but you're too lazy to walk to the bathroom to wash them. That might be me. It's a really good thing to have. Anyway, so that's everything I keep in my little organizer pouch. I really like having everything contained in here. Even though this bag has a lot of internal storage, which I'll try and show you, I prefer to keep everything in here because I do switch work bags a lot because I'm a crazy person, and it's easier to just grab a pouch full of crap rather than individual craps in your bag. What else? What else? Oh, I also, and this is going to be really annoying, so I'm going to try not to rattle it around, but I also carry a little sleeve of reusable straws in various sizes. So like when I go off to get, you know, an iced coffee or something on my lunch, I can come back to the office and I have some straws with me. So these are good to have. I'm going to show now this middle compartment has my laptop, and it would also typically have my iPad in it. I do have my iPad case, but I'm using my iPad right now. So this is a huge iPad case. This is the kind that has like the little keyboard, if you can see that. So yeah, my laptop stays in there with my tablet, and it zips no problem, keeps it very secure and safe in this middle compartment. Like I said, there's some storage in here. There's like 2 pockets. I think I've got some just traditional wired headphones. My work phone was USB-C only. Now my iPhone is as well, but so I needed special headphones for my work phone, so that's what I carry these for. And I think that's it. That's everything that I would typically carry in my work tote. Obviously, I have another bag with me at all times that has some more like essential items. So a lot of these are just kind of backups, but they're good to have, especially if I'm like going to a meeting somewhere else and I don't necessarily want to carry both bags. All I have to do is grab my wallet out of my handbag, and then pretty much anything I would need immediately is going to be in my work bag. I do just want to touch on a few items for this Brooke Carryall. It is a fabulous bag. You know, you just get the highest leather quality when you buy from the Coach retail stores. I mean, I have no complaints about the quality of this bag. It has been put to some abuse because I do carry a lot of things. I'm not necessarily delicate with my stuff. I'm also in the Pacific Northwest where it rains. I try not to, you know, if it's like pouring down, I'll like kind of tuck this in my bag or under my jacket or something. But this bag is like, it is held up really well. It is a really nice leather. I've been using and abusing this bag for over a year now, and I really enjoy it. I'm looking at some of the other colors. I think right now they only have the taupe and the blue, but a while ago I think they had this really pretty green that I should have grabbed when they had it. But yeah, I have no complaints when it comes to my Coach bags that come from the retail store. They're just so nice, such high quality pieces that really last. So I am going to get this bag loaded back up so I don't forget anything that I need tomorrow. All right, guys, so that's all I have for you today. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of today's video, what you carry in your work bag, and how you generally stay organized for work and personal life. I know that it's a lot for us to juggle sometimes, and I appreciate all tips and tricks on how to be a better adult, because Lord knows I need the help. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. As always, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. Your engagement really helps me stay motivated to create content, and I've really been enjoying putting these videos out for you. So definitely let me know how I'm doing, because your input is really valuable to me. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at BVPDX. And until next time, guys, I will see you later. Bye.